He was not like that. There's a 78 on the ride up for the Nebraska qualification. Ooh, 78. Hear a little Nebraska in the audience. Change that to a positive moment. Jason Chisholm out of Clinton, Oklahoma needs the help from you. A young fool. They call Wild Bill. We're going to
be boxed off here at the Bicentennial Center.
No.
All right. Beatrice, Nebraska. Casey Ryder. Good vibrations. The name of the book and roll. This guy is opportunity for the strong international buckle. Good bull. He's got a ride.
That dude out there must be related to Larry the Cable Guy, because he just got it done.
Cody.
You're not.
84 points tonight.